Hello guys, this is Nitin Reddy. In this video, we will learn about variables, arrays, loops, objects, and functions in JavaScript. First, we come to variables. Variables are containers for storing information. JavaScript variables are used to hold values or expressions. A variable can have a short name like X or a more descriptive name like car name as strings. Types of declaration of variables. Mainly, there are three types of declaration of variables. First one is where. Where is a declaration of variable. It can change value and redeclaration allows. And second one is let. Let is a declaration of variable, can change value and redeclaration not allows. Constant is a declaration of variable. It cannot change value and redeclaration does not allows. Rules to write JavaScript variables. Variables are names and case sensitive. Y and lowercase y and capital Y are not same. There are two different variables. Variable names must begin with a letter or the underscore character. Here we see example first name and dollar is a not a rule for variable. The first beginning letter starts with letter or a underscore. Note in this, because JavaScript is case sensitive, variables names are case sensitive. Next we come to second topic, arrays. JavaScript array is an object that represents a collection of similar type of elements. There are three types to construct array in JavaScript. Here there are the three types are. By array literal, we construct an array in JavaScript by creating instance of array directly using new keyword. By using third one is by using an array constructor. Using it is also using by new keyword. First one by to construct a array. JavaScript array literal. This is the syntax. First where declaration of variable and array name like a and equals to the values inside the square brackets, value 1, value 2, and so on. At the end of the statement we put semicolon. As we see, values are contained inside the square brackets and separated by comma. And second one is JavaScript array directly. To create an array, the syntax of creating an array directly is given below. Where array name, where is a we know where is a variable. Array name is the name of the array, and new is a keyword which to allocate memory to the object to the elements of the array. Here new keyword is used to create instance of a array. Then third one is JavaScript array constructor. In this way we use new keyword. Here you need to create instance of array by passing arguments in the constructor, so that we don't have to provide value explicitly. And we see so many methods in array, and by using array we can do so many methods to create the array. First one is concat, second one is copy within, third one is entries, fourth one every, and for it like that so many methods are there in arrays. And our third topic is functions. JavaScript functions are used to perform operations. We can call JavaScript function many times to reuse the code. In JavaScript we have so many advantages in function by using functions. There are mainly two advantages of JavaScript functions. One, code reusability. We can call a function several times, so it save coding, less coding. It makes our program compact. We don't need to write many lines of code each time to perform a common task. These are the two main advantages of JavaScript using functions. Function syntax we see here. This is the function syntax. By to declare the function we use first function word keyword, function word, and function name. In square brackets we use arguments and they are separated by comma, and curly braces. Within curly braces we can write code to execute the program. And JavaScript functions can have 0 or more arguments. If it has one or more argument but also empty. And our fourth topic is objects. Here object is defined as a JavaScript object is an entity having state and behavior, properties and methods. For example, car, pen, bike, chair, glass, keyboard, monitor, etc. And it is also defined as JavaScript is an object based language. Everything is an object in JavaScript. And it has another definition. JavaScript is template based, not class based. Here we don't create class to get the object, but we directly create objects. Creating objects in JavaScript is mainly three types. One, by a object literal. Second one is by creating instance of object directly using new keyword by using an object constructor. It is also created by using new keyword. First one we will discuss uh, more about first one by using object literal. The syntax of creating object using object literal is given below. Object equal to the property of the object and its value is assigned by using colon symbol, and there's the each property is separated by comma, and you can see the property and its value is separated by colon. And second one is by creating instance of object. The syntax of creating instance object is given below. First, it is where is a variable to declare the object and object name, and a new is used to instance of the object, and object is the class name of the class name. Here new keyword is used to create object to allocate memory. By using an object constructor, here you need to create functions with arguments. Each argument value can be assigned in the current object by using this keyword. This keyword refers to the current object. Then last topic we will discuss in this video is loops. The JavaScript loops are used to iterate the piece of code using for, while, do, while or for loop. For in loops, it makes the code compact. It is mostly used in array. There are mainly four types of loops in JavaScript. First one is for loop. For loop, the JavaScript for loop iterates the elements for the fixed number of times. It should be used if number of iterations is known. The syntax of for loop is given below. For first one, this is the initialization where we start the iteration. We will initialize in this part. And the condition, next one is condition, which is how many times to for loop will execute. And increment or the decrement is in this part. And next, in this curly braces we can write the code which will execute the correct. Second one is while loop. The JavaScript while loop iterates the elements for the infinite number of times. It should be used if number of iterations is not known. The syntax for while loop is given below. While, and we write the conditions inside the parenthesis and write the code between the curly braces. This is the about while loop. And third one is do while loop. This is do while loop. The JavaScript do while loop iterates the elements for the infinite number of times like while loop, but code is executed at least once when the condition is true or false. The syntax of do while loop is given below. Do and the code which is executed if the condition is true or false, and we use while, then condition will be written in this parenthesis semicolon. Next, last loop in JavaScript, main loop in JavaScript is for in loop. In for in loop, first we write for and parenthesis. Here we use let variable key in object where and here we will write code about this for loop, which will execute if the condition is true. Then the loop is executes. The JavaScript for in loop is used to iterate properties of the objects. Thank you.